Welcome back to the vlog. It is January 31st. I have not driven this car since December 16th. Been in Mexico for about a month and a half. And today, right now, it's 33 degrees out. It's boost weather, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do right now is take this car out, just go for a drive, see how it is, and show you guys a cold start. So a month and a half, not driven it since then. And yeah, let's take it for a spin. Mind you, 33 degrees is very rare out in Texas. It's usually a lot hotter than this. So I'm going to take the opportunity to take this out for a drive. So it'll drop down to about 30 degrees, 29 degrees, 28 degrees tomorrow. But 33 degrees is pretty good. You can see my breath, how it's, you know, evaporating my breath. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm just disconnect the clips down here. All right, so here she is. It's been sitting out for a month and a half. It's looking pretty, sitting pretty. 33 degrees out right now, so she's gonna love this weather right here. Boost weather, baby. Let's get her running. All right, well, here she is. It says 41 degrees, but my app says 33. But everything looks good. So it's good. We're still cold. We need some gas, but let's take it for a spin, boys. So I'll just get out the neighborhood. Let me get on the highway. Probably pump some gas too, but let me get on the highway and let it warm up. And I'll show you guys just some runs. So stay tuned. All right, boys, so she's starting to calibrate. She's at 37 degrees. See a little snowflake. So I'm gonna put it in sport. Let the light turn green. Probably turn the heater on here in a little bit. Not max, just low it. All right, just turn here. Let's go ahead and pump some gas, boys. Go ahead and do it here. Just pump gas, just fill her up. I'll be right back, boy. Right back. The 93 V power as always. And, just fill her up. Fill her up. So shouldn't take much. Seat. No, just kidding. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and check tire pressure. I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna check tire pressure. I like to keep my tires at 36 psi. So she's at 30. She's at 32. So this one's at 32. Looks like most of them are gonna be at 32. So go ahead and fill her up. Get some air in. So let's go do that next. Okay, so go ahead, stop by a gas station, get air. $3. Golly. I should have just used the pump at my house. But whatever. We're already out on the street. Let's go ahead and fill her up. So we got this again. Check our readings. And 246. 246, 36. A little like 37, but that's good. We'll go with that. Let's go for a ride now, boys. Let's go. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and record it. So click on menu, go to vehicle, go. go back, go to service and checks. Tire pressure monitoring, store tire pressure. You guys store now. Been stored. All right, let's go. All right, put on sport. See if we can launch this thing here at the red light. There's no cops around. All right, boys, so I pressed the wrong button there. Sorry about that, but we're on the highway. Let's go ahead and hit this thing. All right, boys, so stay tuned. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys a boost. This guy's, man, it's always the Ultimos, man, that want to keep up, huh? But I'm going here, this little stoplight over here. I'm gonna do a boost launch for you guys. So hopefully there's no cops around, and I'm not stop the recording this time. So hopefully I get a chance. Hopefully these cars get out the way and I get a chance to boost launch. But here you go. Damn, boys, I did it again. Fuck. I keep pressing the power button and it stops the record. But anyway, I'll get some better launches later, okay? But the point is, this thing is cold. Outside is cold. This thing is warm, and it's boosting and driving real well. So I'll show you guys a little bit more pulls here, and then I'm gonna go out for a drive myself, just to enjoy the highway, empty highway. Go into downtown maybe, and see what's going on there. It's a Saturday night, but a lot of things coming for this car. I mean, what I really want to do first is get some supporting mods, like get the back end, the transmission, the engine mounts, transmission mounts, before I go into the actual mods, right? Like the downpipe, the intercooler, the tune, the fuel pump, you know, an E85, get it to stage 2 plus. You know, probably get around 500 horsepower. I think that's what the tuner said. Really, my real goal, my ultimate goal is to get to 750, get stage 3. But let me see, I'll do one more pull for you guys. One more boost launch. Okay, but this is stock. It's a cold weather out, still 37 degrees. My weather app says 33. But I'll do one more boost launch, and then I'll hit the highway, show you some more boost there, and I'll take it for a drive myself. So it's a red light. Let's see if I can get to the red light. So we're in sport still. Green light down the road. That's a good sign. Still green light over here. Okay, yellow. About to go green here. So alright, got a car up here. Got in the way. But yeah, boys, she's pretty fun. Out in the cold. Let's get on the highway now. It's time to get on the highway. It's enough. It's enough. You know, I messed that up for you guys. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Like I said, she's stock, 350 horsepower. She's fun. All-wheel drive. She's fun. She's fun. Let's get on the highway. Let's see what she can do. But yeah, you know, after this, I'm gonna go for a drive myself. So let's see. Man, that first boost launch was pretty fun. I'm mad I stopped the recording on that one. 60 going in. Alright. There's more cars coming. Good. Getting over here. Just got on the far right. Scanning up front. Got no cars braking. There's a cop on the other side. Oh no, that's just a sign. Looks like they're doing construction out here. But I think we're good. I think we're good. Alright. Alright, boys, I'm gonna take it for a spin myself, so stay tuned. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff coming to this car, for this car. It's a fun freaking ride. So I'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you then, boys.
Six and a half hours later.
All right, boys. So it's 1:39 a.m. It is 33 degrees on the dash, though it actually is 30 degrees.